In this video, I'm going to show you how to measure in Lucidchart using two simple methods so you can work faster and build more accurate diagrams, floor plans, and layouts. If you've ever needed to check spacing, size, or dimensions inside your diagram, this tutorial will make it easy. And before we begin, if this helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started with the first method, which is turning on canvas rulers and changing your measurement units. This is the best option if you want permanent rulers along the edges of your workspace so you can visually gauge sizes as you work. To begin, look for the More menu in the top left corner of Lucidchart. Depending on your layout, this may appear as 3 dots or it may be under the File menu. Click that menu to open the available options. From there, hover over File, then click Settings and choose Document Settings. This opens the settings panel for your current Lucidchart document. Inside those settings, look for the Canvas and Page section. This is where Lucidchart lets you control things like page setup, canvas behavior, and ruler display. Now find the ruler option and toggle it on. Once you enable it, you'll see vertical and horizontal rulers appear around the borders of your workspace. These rulers are extremely useful when you want a visual reference for spacing and alignment while designing your diagram. Next, you can adjust the units dropdown. Lucidchart gives you multiple measurement options, including inches, centimeters, pixels, and points. Choose the unit that matches the type of project you're working on. For example, if you're creating a floor plan, inches or centimeters may be the most helpful. If you're working on a digital layout or interface mockup, pixels may make more sense. Changing the units helps you measure more accurately and keeps everything consistent. Now let's move on to the second method, which is checking dimensions by selecting shapes. This is the fastest way to measure an object already placed on your canvas. To do this, click and hold any shape, container, or object in your Lucidchart diagram. As soon as you select it or begin resizing it, Lucidchart will automatically show helpful tooltips around the borders. These tooltips display the exact width, height, or length of the object, so you can quickly see its size without doing any manual calculations. This is especially useful when you're arranging boxes, building process maps, or placing objects at specific sizes. If you need precision, simply drag or resize the shape while watching the measurement indicators update in real time. A good tip here is to combine both methods. Use rulers when you want a broad visual reference for the entire page, and use shape dimensions when you want exact size details for individual objects. Together, these tools make it much easier to build clean professional diagrams that are properly aligned and scaled. If you don't see the rulers right away, just double check that you're in the correct document settings and that the ruler toggle is enabled. And if your measurements look off, make sure your units are set correctly before continuing. Small settings like that can make a big difference in accuracy. So, to recap, if you want to measure in Lucidchart, first go to Document Settings, open Canvas and Page, turn on rulers, and choose your preferred units. Then, if you need to measure a specific object, simply select a shape and look at the tooltip dimensions as you move or resize it. That's it. Now you know how to measure in Lucidchart the easy way. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what software you want to learn next.